This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, log into your Google account if you haven't already, then open the search bar, type in the Opera query, and from here you can either start the app installation directly from the search results, or you can open its separate app page and hit the install button from here. Doesn't really matter. Whatever option is more convenient for you, just go for it. Now we will briefly wait for the Opera to be downloaded and installed, which does not take a lot of time, usually about 10, 15, 20 seconds, depending on how fast and stable is your Wi-Fi connection. Once the app is ready to be launched, you gotta simply open it, and while launching the Opera for the first time, you will need to complete the simple setup. So in here, tap the continue button, then choose whether you would like to set or enable notifications from the start, or you can skip the step and configure your notifications preferences later. You can also set Opera as your default browser right off the bat if that is something you're interested in. And finally, at this page, you can customize the permissions and privacy preferences that the Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.